Welcome to DC Cars. My name is Eric. Today we are going for a POV test drive in this new Ford Bronco Sport Outer Banks with the Sasquatch package. So some extra off-road capability here for the Bronco Sport. And actually, aside from this POV test drive, we will be doing an off-road test with this Bronco Sport. We're going to go tomorrow, so that video comes up top right hand corner for you once it is uploaded. And yeah, you can see how this one fares off-road. We're going to compare it to the pre-Sasquatch package Bronco Sport, and yeah, that'll be fun. But today is a POV test drive. I will not talk as much. This is for you to get your own impressions of the car. This one here colored in ruby red metallic. So let's hop on in and go for a little city drive. The interior is nice variation of colors. Had some fun with it. Of course, sunroof up top. We got our aux switches here in the Sasquatch package. Not connected to anything here, but still overall quite nice. With that being said, let's set off and drive. For 2025, the Bronco Sport has also gotten a bigger infotainment screen, now running Sync 4 instead of Sync 3. Of course, still have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay wirelessly connected, which is really nice. All of our physical HVACs are now digital in here, so climate controls and all that, just digital. Unfortunately, but we have a permanent bar at least, so you don't have to go into a separate menu. Heated seats are available as well. Overall, not the nicest interior, but they had some fun with it, which I do appreciate. The drive mode switch down here for GOAT modes. Obviously we've been driving in normal, slippery, eco, sport, and off-road in our case. Can't try eco, but I'm not really a big fan, so I would say we just leave it in normal. And start stop you cannot turn off permanently. You have to press that little start stop off button every single time you start the car, which is a little annoying. So maybe, I don't know, you can flash it maybe if you own the car. But I do not enjoy the start stop in this. It's very noticeable. But I think at this point we can end today's POV test drive. Like I said, we have a full review where we go off-roading in this Bronco Sport Sasquatch just on your screen right now. We might even do an off-road POV test drive depending on how much time we get tomorrow when filming. We do have more POVs, more reviews on this channel, so if you liked it, make sure to like and subscribe, or leave a comment about what you think about this Bronco Sport. Any comment really helps us in the algorithm and gives us more cars for you to show. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you liked it, and we hope we'll see you in the next one. Thank you and goodbye.